Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 4.5. Question number 1 is construct the square READ with RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. First of all, let us draw a rough square. One side of the square is given 5.1 centimeter. We know that all the sides of a square are equal. So it means I can write 5.1 centimeter on all four sides. But we need to know this angle. And we know that every angle is 90 degree in this square. So how can we construct this square? Look here. First of all, I will draw base 5.1 centimeter long. Let's name this square as R E A D. So here I'll write R and E. At both R and E, I will construct 90 degree angle using compass. And at E also. Now, the side is 5.1 centimeter. So from this point, I will draw an arc of 5.1 centimeter. And from R also draw an arc of 5.1 centimeter. And in the last, join these. In this way, we will construct this square. Let's proceed with the construction. First step, let us draw a line segment of length 5.1 centimeter. And name this as R and E. Right dimension also 5.1 centimeter. We have drawn line segment of length 5.1. Now at point E and R we have to construct 90 degree. For that I am going to open an arc of small radius. Keep your compass at E point. Draw an arc. Because we have to construct 90 at both the ends, use same compass, same size of radius and draw an arc at R also. Then, keeping compass at one corner and without changing the compass, draw an arc, it is 60. From 60, draw one more arc, it is 120. From this 60, draw an arc and from 120, cut this arc. So this angle is 90. Let me complete this again. This is 90. Same we will do for the point R. It's 60. Then from 60 I'll draw 120. From 60 draw an arc and from 120 cut this arc. So I have constructed 90 at both points R and E. Now let us join these points. It's R and this. If I join them, I'll get this 90 degree and this 90 degree. Further, I have to draw an arc of length 5.1 on both 90 degree angle. So open an arc of length 5.1. Because this is 5.1, I can measure this 5.1 directly from here or from the scale. It's our choice. It's 5.1. So here draw an arc and from R also draw an arc. Now you can see our arcs are not intersecting with the line. So for that what we have to do? We have to extend the lines. Now this point R, E, so this point will be A and this point will be D. So the last step is join A and D. This is the square READ. Now let's start. Construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Now in such cases, when we have given the diagonals, how to construct a rhombus? We will use this property that diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. So what we will do? First of all, we will draw any one of the diagonals. Suppose first I draw a diagonal of length 5.2 centimeter. Because diagonals are perpendicular bisector, so now I'll draw the perpendicular bisector. In this manner we can draw the perpendicular bisector. Once I'll get the perpendicular bisector, this will be what? This will be the second diagonal. And the second diagonal is 6.4 centimeter. Because it is getting bisected at this point, it means half of 6.4, that is 3.2, it will be above this line and 3.2 will be below this line. So it means we will open an arc of 3.2 centimeter. Keeping compass at this point, we'll cut an arc of 3.2 and we'll cut an arc of 3.2. And then we will join these endpoints. In this way, we can construct the rhombus. Let's start with the construction. First of all, let us draw a diagonal of length 5.2. Write down the dimension. Now, let us construct its perpendicular bisector. How to construct the perpendicular bisector? The rule is this one. Keep your compass at one of the end point. Open it more than half. Keeping compass at this corner, draw one arc above and one arc below. Same. Keeping compass at the second end point, draw an arc above the line and below the line. In this way, we have got the perpendicular bisector. Join their point of intersection by a dotted line. The second diagonal will lie on this line and the second diagonal is 6.4. It means half of the diagonal will be above the line and half of 6.4 is 3.2. Now open an arc of length 3.2 and keeping your compass at this point, cut an arc of 3.2 on this perpendicular bisector above as well as below. Your arcs may overlap with each other, but that doesn't matter. Okay. Now you have got 2 points, 1 and 1. Join it with the endpoints of the first diagonal. So the shape obtained is the rhombus. This is your rhombus. You can mention the dimension. It's 3.2 centimeter here, 3.2 centimeter here. This is your third of exercise 4.5. Construct a rectangle with adjacent sides of lengths 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. We have to construct a rectangle. So first of all, let us draw a rough rectangle. Its adjacent sides. It means length is given, breadth is given. We have to construct this rectangle. How can we do? First of all, we will draw a length of 5 centimeter. Then we know that each angle in a rectangle is 90 degree. So at this point, I will draw 90 degree. And at this point also, I will construct 90 degree. And we will join them. Then we know that the breadth is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter It is also 4 centimeter. I will open an arc of 4 centimeter. I'll keep compass here and draw an arc of 4 centimeter. Then keep your compass here, draw an arc of 4 centimeter and join. So in this manner you can construct a rectangle. So let's proceed with the construction. First of all, draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter. Now at both the end points you have to construct 90 degree. Keep your compass at one corner and draw an arc. Without changing your compass, keep your compass at the second end point and draw an arc. Then you have drawn this arc. Let me just erase this. Then construct 90 degree. Now you do not change the compass. Keep compass at this point, draw 60. Keeping compass at 60, draw 120. From 60, one arc, and from 120 cut the same arc. This is 90. Do the same in the next one. Draw 60 and then from 60 draw 120. From 60 draw one arc and from 120 cut that arc. Now you have to just join them. Let's join. Here also join. Be sure that line should pass through their point of intersection. Now we have to just draw the arc of equal to the breadth, which is 4 centimeter. So I will open an arc of length 4. Keeping your compass at the first corner, draw an arc of 4 centimeter. Now these arcs can overlap, so don't worry about that. Same, draw arc here. So you have got 2 points, 1 and 1. Join them. So this forms the rectangle. Mention the dimensions. You can name it A, B, C, D. So this A, B, C, D is your rectangle. Thank you, students.